Welcome back to Bubbles in the Wind. Welcome back to Bubbles in the Wind. How are you today? So today I'm here with a poem of mine called Circle, which is the circle of life. Here I've done something different for me only. I've tried to play with words. This I can do only if I'm not very lazy and if I have a lot of energy, because for me it's big strain on my brain to think and to work and to edit, I just like to write and that's it, So this is a very rare poem for me and special. It's called The Circle. So I'll read it now. The circle of life. Life is but a bowl of dreams, fills and brims at times, shakes and breaks at times. When you see a ray of hope, all loose hopes binds, loosening all hopes of kinds. Things seems meaningful, meaning things will come after all mean things gone. Peace will reign after the pieces resign to the fate's design. Joy will pour out of pores, filling pores of every source, heart soaring to fly more. All moments a waking dream, waking to a daring dream. Dreams we daring dream. But when night seems endless, moments seems clueless, everything seems pointless. Heart jumps at every knock, as luck may be jumping to knock. Maybe jumping got knocked down. Eyes will know no rest, as tears will be restless, tearing all known rest. Thunder roaring to lash, roaring rain will lash, heart raining with roaring pain. Blaming past, present, future, past in present, future is past, present never present. Such is strife of life. Life is a way, way is strife. It is but a bowl of dreams, fills and brims at times, shakes and breaks at times. So that's the poem. I hope you all like it. If you like it, do share your valuable comments. And if you like to hear more of my poems, please do subscribe. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.